So it's another wonderful day here in the Philippines. So it's 8:30 in the morning here, and we're getting ready to go to the doctor of Virgil. Virgil is not been feeling good. It's been 3 days now that he's been having some problems of breathing problems. He have that breathing problems. He can't breathe well, especially in the night time. And he's here now at the back. Say hi, guys.
Hi
Wave.
guys.
Say wave. So we're about to get ready. We'll be leaving soon. Hopefully that Virgil will be okay, and I hope they give the right medication for him. And we also go to the dental for Virgil's teeth, and also I need to go back there also for my teeth, for my brace. They need to check my teeth. And my husband is over here. He's been watching some videos there in YouTube. And hopefully guys that Virgil will be okay, because we've been worried about him. So we're gonna go soon. Are you ready, B? So I hope that you all are doing good. Thank you so much for the love and support. And I'm gonna do some more videos there in San Carlos. So I'm gonna show you the weather here right now, this morning. So it's another hot day here in the jungle. As you can see that the sky is so clear, so blue. Look at that. A beautiful morning here in the jungle, and look at that beautiful mountains there. It's so greeny. Look at that. You are surrounded with lots of trees, coconuts. We're gonna go, baby.
You got a package.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Because it be lots of patient today, because last time when we've been there, it's fully loaded. Virgil, did I lock the door?
I didn't lock it.
I lock it. I forgot, but it's closed now. So we're gonna go now, because so that we can be finished. Isa may maoy. Kaming ka, nalakan na ba na kong balay? Butang diha, butang. So lots of dog here in our place. Look at that. It's hot in here inside.
Give me a minute. Tell them what the oil pressure gets at. Check it out.
So I let my father transfer the blocks.
I want to, if we get back down, get Willie to make some concrete first. So there won't be movement here. And looks at Mark, we get in and out.
Gilakan ba na mo ma? O gani ang kalimot ko ginalakan na mo.
Remember the noise it used to make here?
Yeah.
So much
So
better.
on the way now to San Carlos to Virgil's doctor. I already messaged the secretary for the appointment, but I hope that she read my message.
Depends when she wakes up.
I hope it not takes whole day there in the doctor like last time we've been there.
Yeah.
So this is our driveway here.
They don't stay in this long on Saturday. So maybe not be there all day.
Today is Saturday, not I mean today is Friday, not Saturday.
Oh? I'm gonna keep me up to date on the days. Look, look at the
Yeah.
Cool.
This is true.
Look,
I think he will move. It's okay, you can wait. He will move into the other side. That's he normally park the truck.
the one when we pull up and walk around.
Look at that. We can't go on because of that big truck.
He probably going this way or something like that.
Huh? You hear it?
Motorcycle moved over to the shoulder. I thought he was coming this way. For him to turn around, he had to back up a long way. And then go turn quicker.
Now we're waiting for the truck. I think he go in the other side. He go back. Oh, you're correct. He's on this way.
Just slow.
And they were collecting some sugar cane. So I see you guys later. Be careful, there's steep. So let's see what we're gonna do for the rest of this day and for Virgil's check up. I hope that everything goes well. So see you guys later, so stay tuned. So we are already here in San Carlos City and we are here right now at the dental clinic. We're just waiting here in the lobby for now. And this is also the hotel. So they own this hotel also here. And Virgil is over here. So we go first here in the dental clinic because his doctor there in Sandoc is not yet arrived. So it be around 11 she arrived there in the hospital. So we're gonna go there after here in the dental. So Virgil, show them your teeth lang ga. The one it's wheeling ba? Show them. There's his teeth there in the bottom. It's been swelling. It's big. and it's disturb him. And after here, we're gonna go to the Sun Doctor's Hospital for the check-up of his breathing problems. Virgil has been stressing the whole week because they have their first quarter exam. So maybe that's the cause on it. And also he have some cough. You still have some cough, Langga, right? And maybe that's the cause on it also. That's why he cannot breathe well. It attacks every night now. It's been 3 nights now that he been struggling with the breathing problems. So hopefully everything goes well in the doctor. And we're gonna have some check up here in the dental clinic first before we go to the other doctor. Are you okay now? It's been relaxing there. Sleepy? Sleepy? Sleepy boy? What? No, the doctor will gonna check that. Then if it's okay to remove, she will remove your teeth. But maybe right now she cannot remove it because it's still swelling. He's scared of removing his teeth. He been removing one of them, right, Virgil? Where is that? The doctor removed, yeah, in the top. The doctor already removed there in the top because it's been bad too. But that tooth there, the one it's swelling, it's still a baby tooth, right? So we're still waiting for the dentist. She'll be here soon. Maybe around 10:30. It's already 10 after 10:15.
No, 10:40.
10:14 in your watch. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. And we are here in the clinic right now. We're putting this costume before we go inside. Look at that, Virgil is here. I'm gonna check my retainer also here. See what the doctors. Virgil, look. Snowman. So we are here inside. The doctor is already here. The dentist is already here. You're not scared. You're not supposed to scare. The doctor just check your teeth. Okay? Huh? Not lying. So my husband likes here this dental clinic because this is very clean and very comfortable too. Virgil is scared, but I told him that not supposed to scared because the doctor will gonna give some medicine, or maybe she gonna pull the teeth when it's not swelling. So I'm gonna go inside maybe in 1 minute. So I not do some videos there because it's not allowed. I'll see you guys later. So we are here right now at the Sun Doctor's Hospital, and Virgil is already finished there on check up on his doctor, and thankfully guys that he's okay, and also the doctor gave some antibiotic and some cough medication because he have a lot of phlegm on his back, so need to treat it soon as possible. And this medication, it's 3 kinds of medication that the doctor gave to him. Then the doctor told me that after he take this medication, Virgil will gonna be okay. I'm really worried. because that's also that he have that breathing problem because of his phlegm on the back, on his back. He have a lot of phlegm from his cough. We already check to the other pedia doctor, on his pedia doctor, because this doctor that he got right now, she's not here that time, so we go to the other doctor. Then the medication that she give to us, it's not okay for Virgil. He still have some cough on it and still have some phlegm on him. So the doctor gave some another medication. Then she told us that Virgil will gonna be okay. After he take this medication, Virgil will gonna be okay. So thankfully, also we already been to the dentist, and Virgil have some cleaning on his teeth, do some cleaning, and he have a lots of teeth sa kuan, James Pharmacy niya. He have a lots of damaged teeth.
James Pharmacy.
Sorry sir. Lots of teeth, but it's been damaged, and that's why the doctor been cleaning, because that's the cause also of that tooth pain. So even though his medication is expensive, but it's really worth it as long as he's okay, because we've been worried about him. So I'm glad that we've been to the doctor today, to the dental and to his pedia doctor, because I cannot sleep every night because I keep thinking about what happened to my son, why he cannot breathe correctly every night. So right now we're on the way to the pharmacy because some of the medication that the doctor prescribed to him it's not available on her clinic. So we're gonna go to the other pharmacy here in San Carlos. We're gonna buy more medication for him, and he's here right now. He's gonna take this medication after lunch. The other one is 3 times a day, and the other one is only in the night time for the allergy. So I'll see you guys later, so stay tuned. Hi guys, so we're on the way home now. We are in the dirt road. Finally, we already finished there in San Carlos. I already bought the medicine of Virgil. He already take, after he eat his lunch, he already take it. So I'm not able to do video there in the mall because of the sounds is so loud. The music is so loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always noisy in the mall.
Yeah. And it's not okay if you do upload some video but with music in the background, because it will copyright. So we're almost there in our house.
The van's doing well. No puppy noise.
Yeah. We ate lunch there in Pizarro.
Yeah, they changed the sauce. It's not so good anymore.
Yeah, my husband ordered some pizza, then he don't like it this time because they changed the sauce. Last time we ate there, he loves it, and
Yeah.
now it's different. The taste is different.
Yeah.
It's a little bit sour on it.
It's got that sugary taste to it.
Yeah, and also the meat, but you can taste the meat that is
Yeah.
not fresh. I don't know the meat,
Yeah.
because I taste it and it's really tastes different than before. Maybe they have a new,
Reminds me of the place Latimore when they changed
yeah,
the recipe.
in Lalimar Resort also. We normally love their pizza there, but when we ordered last time, it's really
When you can't eat it, it's bad.
yeah, it's really bad. For me, I like it because I'm Filipino. I have a I like sweet, but my husband don't like sweet. Their sauce is a little bit sweet, and
Well, they use banana ketchup
yeah,
for sauce.
they use banana ketchup for the sauce.
Who in the world will use banana ketchup for pizza sauce?
I love the Hawaiian.
I can handle the Hawaiian, but I can't handle banana ketchup for pizza sauce.
Yeah, they use banana ketchup for the pizza sauce. So it's almost 2 p.m. here. We're lucky they're in the doctor's clinic that not so many people. We are in the number 4 because I already messaged the secretary this morning that we're gonna do some appointment for Virgil. Then she write it there. So Virgil is in number 4. But in the dental clinic, we're the one who go there first. So
That was nice.
yeah, because they don't have lots of patient this time. We're lucky, not busy. So we're almost there in our house. And we can see now our house there.
Yep. Solar at work.
Yeah, solar. We're full solar today. It's so hot in. Oh my God! In San Carlos, it's very very hot. Compare here. Very hot, super hot. I even have a head pain there. I've been buying some medication and some bread there in the bakery. Oh my God! It looks like my head is very pain. It's hard to. So we're gonna park the van now. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. So I'll see you all on my next video. So God bless us all. Take care all. And bye for now. We're home safe.